Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on or turn off game mode when you are launching an app. And just to know, when you downloaded the app for the first time, you will receive a pop-up or a notification with game mode is turning on. But after the second time or third time that you open the app, you won't receive that notification. So I just already opened this app. So when I just launch this app, I don't receive the notification that we are on game, we are using gaming mode. So now when I launch this app and I will do this, scroll down from right to the bottom, you will see here in the top Clash Royale game mode. Now when we click on that, now we have the option to turn it on or turn it off by clicking just on the screen. Now, when we turn it on, when game mode is on, background activity is reduced to optimize the performance of the game. And when we turn it off, this is not what happened. So I prefer to turn it on for the best performance. And this is exactly how you can turn it on or can turn it off. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.